Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Yo, anything you want to say for your show tomorrow?
Tomorrow's gonna be a great day. Best car vibes you'll ever had. Come on out. It's out all night. Hold on, I'm cold. No, fuck. Hello? Hello? Nico, where you at, man?
Yeah, man, I'm just now waking up. I'm leaving your house.
Bro, the meet's about to start. What the hell are you doing?
Yeah, my bad, man. I'll be there in just a minute.
You was out all night at the preview, man. I told you to get home.
Ain't nobody told me that much last night, damn it.
Alright, yo, hurry up. We got cars already parking. Cars are running out of their rear. Get here as fast as you can. Yo, all ass.
Alright, I'm leaving.
Alright, bet. guys know from previous events, I only do 10 awards. I'm not a big fan of participation, you know, top 20. I denied like 65 cars to get in this show. If you're in this show, that's an award. You know, sorry. But, best fitment goes to Kenny. Yeah, that's awesome. Everybody get a round of applause for Kenny. Lovely Sabrina, best USDM. I don't have a name. The blue Camaro that's right in front of that store, the corner lot, right in the entrance. It's a nice, old, beautiful Camaro. That's her! Everybody get a round of applause for the gorgeous blue Camaro. Best wheel. I don't know that name again, I apologize. She came with her lovely husband. There's a black Supra on BBS wheels over there in the corner. Right in front, there we go. Ladies are taking awards today.
Hell yeah.
The best JDM goes to Driver Motorsports and the K-Truck. Because it's a Panda wide-body K-Truck. You ain't gonna see a lot of those out here.
Yeah, the K-Truck one.
Best Euro. The white track car BMW. What? He's right there. I don't know if y'all see it. It's gorgeous. It's wide. There's a lot of bugs on the front, but it's alright. He tracks it. Best paint. The best paint goes to Steven in the G35. It was a really tough decision. Hey, best rap. I'm Lo Main. Where you at? Where's the Steve? Kevin, where you at? Hey, you got a round of applause for Kevin. It's the border-colored rap. That's why I'm there in the corner by Exotic. I can't say shit. Hey, your shoes match your color. Kid's choice. Kid's choice. So I literally just like walk around. I look for a kid. And I'm like, hey, what car do you like? So this year, the guy with the blue RX-7 that's in the corner, his little man went ahead and made a decision for me. So the blue Camaro that's in front of Alex Cheesecake. You came in last minute, so I don't even have a name. If I wanted a name.
One eternity later.
Give it away, ring a round of applause to the guy that didn't come for his award. Alright, best truck. I hope the gentleman's over here. That orange, beautiful D10 that's right here wins best truck. Where is he at? Where? Yes, dude, this thing is gorgeous. Give a round of applause for this gorgeous orange truck right here. This is gorgeous. Alright, best of show. Majority wins. It's kind of the easiest way to vote. So, if you guys have seen the white 240 that's right in front of the Exotics booth with the beyond beautiful tucked engine bay, the entire car is done. Please give this man a round of applause because this car is gorgeous.
Make a vote as a meet.
This fine gentleman is going to get hit in the face as well. 890-476. Amber, how many tickets you buy? Hey, I'm with that. Come on down, Pippin.
Good job, make it last, bro.
Go ahead, give a round of applause for me. Give a round of applause for me. Oh, okay. Knock his ass out. No, I'm just kidding. Y'all ready?